Jackson, what did the Easter Bunny bring to our house?
Logan, no.
Jack, what did the Easter Bunny bring?
Uh-oh.
What'd you get, Jay?
Jack,
Logan.
it's okay, he's just looking. What did the Easter Bunny bring?
Oh, Logan. Oh.
That one's for Jackson. Can Jackson open that one? Here, let's put this one for Lo. Here, Lo. That one's for you. Jack, Logan kind of already emptied yours out.
Oh, that one's Jackson.
That one's for Jackson. There's Jackson. Jack, can you open some of the things that the Easter Bunny brought you? What did the Easter Bunny get you?
Easter egg.
Easter Bunny brings Easter eggs, huh? What else? What's that? What's that cool short?
The essay.
Oh, a new book. I think that one was it. The Easter Bunny brought that for Logan. Jack, look over here. What's in here? What's in here?
Essay.
I don't know. Maybe you should open it. What did the Easter Bunny get you?
Easter egg.
Is that an Easter egg? That kind of looks like an odd-shaped Easter egg.
Open it.
Yeah.
Good job. Keep going, Ted.
What is it? Look, what'd you get? You already biting into some candy first thing in the morning?
I'm shopping too.
You want chocolate too?
Okay, open your present, Jay. Open your Easter present.
Okay.
What'd you get?
A socket.
What is it?
What is it? What is it? Thomas! Wow, Easter Bunny must love Jackson. Easter Bunny's almost like Santa Claus in our house.
Yeah.
What else did you get, Jay? What else? Hold on. Okay, so we'll watch this when we do treatments. We'll do treatments and we'll watch it. What else did you get? What's this? What's that? Open it. See what it is.
I think Logan is eating a Starburst with the wrapper on.
At least it's a good one.
Maybe we could take a look
What is
at
that, Jay?
Baseball.
Baseball.
it. Did you get a baseball and a baseball glove?
Yeah.
Wow, just like Cousin Dylan, you guys can play baseball together?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
One more thing.
Open that. Mom, yeah, one more.
What's right here?
What is it?
I don't know, what is it? Logan, what'd you get from the Easter Bunny? Some Starburst with the wrappers on?
What is it, Jay?
Train track.
Wow, what'd you get?
Train track.
New train tracks?
Yeah.
You're so excited?
What is it, Jay?
Train track.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
Train track.
What are you gonna do with the train tracks?
Train track.
You're gonna build train tracks, all right.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of train tracks.
Yeah.
Did you look inside of your Easter eggs?
Yeah.
What'd you get? What's this Easter egg? What's it?
Baseball.
It's a baseball Easter egg. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
What's inside?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Are you gonna open it?
Open it. Open it, Dad.
Did you get some new swim trunks too?
Look, who's that?
Green.
Lightning McQueen. You got McQueen swim trunks? We gonna go to the pool?
Yeah.
You can go swimming?
What that? Jay, who's on the shirt? Right here.
Who's on your rash guard?
Queen.
McQueen.
Two queen.
Wow, can you say Happy Easter, everyone?
I eat the one.
Good job.
Oh, you open it.
Can you say Happy Easter, Logan?
I eat the Logan.
Logan is eating a Twix with the wrapper on. He's super healthy.
Pocket.
Logan, Log, say Happy Easter.
That one chocolate.
Say Happy Easter.
Not that one. Not that one.
Poor Hello.
Another one.